Now I'm going to show you how to do Lottie animation right in Figma.
Here we have a simple lock icon. Let's sketch a version of the final frame for the animation. Pam pam pam! Make sure we have the thickness for the pseudo 3D effect.
It's time for animation.
Open Aninix app and create a new project for our initial frame. Select the whole group, place the anchor point in the center, press S to create keyframes, and change the value to 90% of the width scale.
Let's see what we have.
For this, select an animation segment and press the space bar to play only that animation.
Now let's animate our thickness.
Select this layer and press P to create a position keyframe here and here. Change the value in the last keyframe by -60. Copy this animation and paste it onto another layer with thickness. Select the last key and change the value to -25.
That's something, but we need to tweak it a bit.
Select this R group and create position keyframe. In the last keyframe, move up the group by -60 and set the X position to 60. Now, select the animation and change the curve to create a small spring effect.
Nice.
Let's animate the sparks by adding a trim path effect and create keyframes for the end property. Go to first keyframes and change the value to 0. Also, add keyframes for the start property and change the value in the last keyframe to 100. Don't forget to check the result.
Now it's time to animate the colors.
Select layers with the same colors and create the fill keyframes. Change color here. That's it. Also, I forgot about move of this toggle switch and that one thickness, but I think it's easy to understand now.
Finally, we have a really cool stuff. And now, go to exporting this animation in Lottie.
Click the export button here and select Lottie format. Set this option to render only the selected range. Great! Upload this file to Lottie files and enjoy the work done.